Hi friends, very good morning. Welcome to Anu Academy. So let us start today's class. So friends, today's class we are going to learn uh, few material about production technology. Okay, so I think all of you are preparing for your assistant engineering examination. Present one notification is there conducted by Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission. Okay, and this material is also useful for the aspirants preparing for assistant engineering as well as assistant executive engineering conducted by Telangana State Public Service Commission as well as Andhra Pradesh Public uh, Service Commission. Okay, so let us start, friends, today's class. Today's our subject is production technology. So each and every day we are coming with in front of you with ones with this, some material. Okay, today we are going to start with production technology. So this class work will be definitely helpful for your exam preparation. Okay, so let us start. So this is production technology. So one small request, friends, please subscribe our channel. Please like and share our channel. Okay, so please discuss with your friends regarding the class work going on in our channel. Okay, so now we'll start production technology. So this is the production technology. I have prepared some material. So uh, perlite is alternate layers of cementite and ferrite. Martensite extremely hard and brittle phase. Austenite can exist only above 723 degrees centigrade. Eutectoid pertaining to state of equilibrium between three solid phases. Okay, right. Next, the iron carbon diagram and the TTT curves, time temperature curves, are determined under equilibrium and non-equilibrium conditions respectively. On completion, on completion of heat treatment, the following structure will have retained austenite if martensite formation starting temperature is above the room temperature. Okay, so cast steel crankshaft surface is hardened by induction heating. The alloying element mainly used to improve the endurance strength of steel materials is vanadium. Okay, decreasing grain size in a polycrystalline material increases yield strength and corrosion resistance. Carburized machine components have higher endurance limit because carburization introduces a compressive layer on the surface. Next, malleability is related with cold rolling, hardness, indentation, resilience, impact loads, isotropy is direction. Okay. So next, next, mild steels commercial use for commercial beams, tool steel blanking dies, medium carbon steel crane hooks, high carbon steel screwdriver. Next, annealing of steels. Cooling is done slowly and steadily. Internal stresses are relieved. Ductility of steel is increased. So this is about the annealing of steels. Next, duralium alloy contains 94% aluminium and 4% copper. Next, eutectic reaction for iron carbon system occurs at 1147 degrees centigrade. The blade of a power saw is made of high speed steel. Quartz is a piezoelectric material. Next, ductile iron is inoculation, malleable iron, annealing, rail steel joints, thermite welding, white cast iron is chilled. Hardness and tensile strength in austenitic steel can be increased by cold working. Okay, killed steels killed steels are free from O2. Silicon steels Silicon steels, transformer stampings, duralumin cooking utensils, gunmetal bearings, and engineering ceramics, electrical insulator, fiber reinforced plastics, aerospace industry, synthetic carbon bearings, boron control rods in nuclear reactors. Okay, friends, so this material will be definitely helpful for your preparation. Okay, so if you are having any doubts regarding assistant engineering as well as assistant executive engineering, if you want any other guidelines from our side, definitely I will help you, friends. So please subscribe our channel, please like and share our channel. Okay, so if you are having doubts, please post in the comments box, I will give you a reply. Okay, so each and every class I am saying the same thing. Give importance for both the papers. See, so few questions we can solve very easily, and few questions we need lots of preparation. Okay, and few questions are totally like linked based questions. Okay, previous examinations we used to get question and four options used to be there, but now we are getting more options like link A and B and C and D, like that linked based options we are getting. So these type of solutions we can give for the question once we are advanced, once we are little bit perfect with the subject. Okay, so uh, please support our channel. Definitely each and every subject I will give you good material. Okay, so thank you very much, friends. Thank you for watching.